Welcome to Dobby's Repairs. I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf, and this is what's in my toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. So let's find out what's in my toolbox today. And in this instalment we have this Kezkals beanie hat with a built-in LED light. It's pretty good. Let me just quickly show you the lights. It's got three different forms, and it's also got this flashing emergency light, which is pretty cool. Yeah, let me just pop the camera down a bit now so you can actually see it a bit better. Yeah, so this is the beanie hat itself. It's fairly comfortable. I've worn it a few times. Like I said, it's pretty good. It's rechargeable light here, just here. And you can see it's got the lights again. I'll show you them just one more time. And yeah, it's pretty handy. It comes out with a little rechargeable light that you just pop out like that. You can wash this hat then. Just wash it on a nice low wash, I would. And yeah, basically to recharge it, all you have to do is take this little rubber cap off and then plug it into any USB plug. So that will plug in there and the light comes on. It takes about an hour and a half to charge. Normally gives you about 3 hours run time. I've only run it for about 2. It seems to be working fine for me. But apparently it's up to 6 hours. I normally charge it with this sort of cable though. So this is one of those standard cables, easy to plug in. And then gives you a bit more leverage and a bit more length, should I say, away from the plug socket, which is pretty handy. Yeah, pretty handy with that. This little rubber cap goes back on. I've got some footage of this on an actual repair that I did in the dark the other night, so I'll show you that in just a moment. Now this push popped back in like that as well. It seems fairly robust. The light seems to point just where you need it, especially if you lined it up in the middle of your head properly. Yeah, I'll quickly turn the lights off and I'll show you some footage of this in the dark. Now it's fairly dark. There's still a bit of light on here from certain things, but it's not over dark. This is the light itself. You can see it lights up everything fairly nicely. Let me just quickly put the camera up. There we are. And then you can see it lights up everything fairly nicely. Got two modes. So this is the lowest mode. This is a slightly brighter mode. And then obviously we've got the emergency mode, which is pretty handy. And here's just a bit of footage of the light in action itself. As you can see, it's pretty dark at the moment, but when I put the light on the subject we're looking at, it will light up really nicely. And it keeps your head very warm. It was minus warm when I filmed this bit of footage, and it looks pretty nice. It keeps my head warm and it lights up everything so I can work very safely on it. So yeah, moving on to my final thoughts now. I really do enjoy using this. I've really enjoyed using it for the last few weeks since I got it for Christmas, and yeah, it's a really good little light to have. Really handy, keeps your ears warm, very important. Keeps your head warm, especially when we work in the cold weather like we have at the moment. Yeah, I had it -1 last night when I was doing a bit of work on my car, and kept my head really nice and warm. Not insulated or anything, but yeah, very nice. So I'm going to give this a 4-spanner rating, so 4 spanners will pop up here as normal. And yeah, overall really handy little light. I highly recommend picking one up. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps both the channel and me out. If you're new here, consider subscribing. I post 2 videos a week, so by subscribing, you'll never miss a thing. Got any questions or suggestions? Drop a comment down below, and I'll do my best to reply to everyone. Here at Dobby Repairs, we're all about helping you learn how to work on your vehicle safely and showing you don't need to spend a fortune on tools to get the job done. Want to support the channel further? Become a member, starting at just 99p. Members get perks like early access to videos and more exclusive content. Keep fixing, and I'll see you in the next one.